So for this video, you'll be hearing a voiceover from me since during the majority of our stay in Siargao, my voice was hoarse, so I wasn't able to talk most of the time. So for today, we'll be doing their tri-island tour, going to Guyam Island, Daku Island, and Naked Island. But they actually gave us an additional spot to visit, which is their secret beach, which is not so secret anymore. I'll put in the description box below all the necessary information that you may need if one day you decide to visit Siargao. But if you're gonna ask me, it's a must you visit Siargao.
Slowly, be slowly.
Hanap lang.
Welcome to Guyam Island.
Guyam Island was the first island we visited. I didn't know if it's the same for every tour agency, but with ours, we stayed here for 1 hour.
Nainido all foreigner. Do you speak Spanish? I said no habla español, mi amor. No habla means you cannot speak. No. I sound so bayot. Ligo na ko eh.
We were on our way to Daku Island here. I may not look like it, but during this time, I was feeling frustrated already. What happened was, my GoPro broke the day before our flight, so I decided to rent one in Siargao only to find out the unit I had was also malfunctioning when we were already in Guyam. I badly wanted to take a lot of videos, especially underwater with my kid for memories since I'm such a memory hoarder. But because of what happened, I lost the drive to film and decided to be in the moment. Maybe it's Siargao's way of telling me to enjoy the day and see you again soon.
So we're now at Daku Island where we'll be having our lunch with the most iconic boodle fight. So we're just waiting for that to be served.
Just a quick fact, most of the people here speak Cebuano. So yes, mabisdak na rin sila diri. So di ka maglisod makigminggol nila. Funny thing was, I was so used to speaking Tagalog whenever I travel because that's the common language para maki-communicate effectively. So what I did, every time I talked to someone, I would always ask, Ate, Kuya, marunong ka ba magbisaya? Bahalang magahi na din inyong mga accent. And if they do, what na, chika layo na kayo nagmaabtan. And yes, mostly nila, taga Cebu.
Ngutan na lang, pipila. Okay na.
Sabay mo yung mukha ko, ma'am.
Okay, kaya.
So, based sa ako ang chika sa mga prepare ng mga boodle fight, each tour agency have a contact sa taga Daku Island to prepare the boodle fight. So each table, lahi-lahi ang tag-iyaan na. So lahi ang cook for each table. But if you decide to go on a private na tour, you can actually order something from the island, not the boodle type of kanang kaon, but if you want to order seafood like shrimp lang, fish, or anything, then yes, you can. So, kaning dagat nila diri sa Daku Island, especially this part right here where gatambay mi, kusog kayong baon. Madadyo ka especially kanang pabalik niya nga motion and mukalit lang og lang. So, precaution lang siya for those mga do with kids. It's best if you have your own life jacket para size appropriate. But overall, lamig jud ilang dagat diri. I swear. So this is our last stop, the Naked Island. We don't have much videos on this island and also pictures because basically it's just an island. Wala did you kailangan makita kundi sand. So we just enjoyed our time here and nagpa-drone shot na nasa among guide. And naka-feel na sa nagkapoy ato. So pagkagabi na, we decided to go out for a bit on our motorcycle and explore the area because since we arrived, we haven't got the chance to see what's around. We went all the way north sa General Luna and sa daghan pa man di kay pagkaunan sa unahan. So mo to, agenda for the next 2 days, food trip in majority.
Hey guys, char horse. Day 3 of our Siargao trip, and we're at first order of business, Shaka. Katiganing famous nga smoothie bowls that is here. So we have our first order. So we have our first order. This is the strawberry and oats. So basically this is overnight oats topped with fresh strawberries.
A very helpful tip for you. If you want to go to the surfing area, you can actually avoid the 100 peso entrance fee by passing through Shaka Cafe. Kailang area open that are going to the other side, but those are surfing areas. So, yeah, save your 100 peso for something else. Also, it's best to visit the boardwalk at around lunchtime if di ka ganahan daghang kag photo bombers sa mga picture. So this ride back to our homestay, we actually came from Kanawai. That's actually Andy Eigenman's cafe in Siargao. We went there hoping to see her as well as her partner Philmore para makapicture. But unfortunately, they weren't there. So, moto, ibalik na lang.
A few moments later.
Yeah.
Dili siya ra.
So this is what I was talking about earlier. Nga if you pass by here silang main entrance, you're gonna have to pay the 100 pesos nga entrance fee compared if ato ka sa Shaka cafe nga area mo agi maka-avoid you sa 100 pesos. So yeah, it's up to you. If you pass by here, ay mga souvenirs on the side if you want souvenirs from Siargao. And also in this area, naidaghang surfing instructors nga mo offer nimo surfing lessons for 500 pesos. So from the main entrance, you're gonna have to walk a few meters sa left side sa area. That's where the surfing lesson and surfing area is because dito nga area batuon pa na siya, especially sa may boardwalk na area. So this guy right here is my surfing instructor. So this video, I don't know if madunggo ninyo, but see, nangutanok actually niya if Bisaya ka, sir. And yes, he is Bisaya. He's actually from Cebu also. So we were talking about my previous surfing experience, which I already had sa La Union and as well as Aurora, but that was years ago.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me?
Yes, sanap din, sanap. 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 Sanap din. Lahat, ma'am. Yeah. Hindi, lalo waist, be. Wow.
Really want a boss, so I'ma do what I want to. Something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to. Something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna